99% of truckers make decisions based on a single game-changing transmission change that is completely changing the nature of long-haul travel. Get ready for an exciting and thought-provoking analysis of this decision-making process, my fellow road warriors. Imagine going on a road trip where the gears move smoothly and your attention is on the wide road. A paradigm shift has occurred in the trucking industry, and here we reveal the reasons behind the overwhelming preference for a transmission type that is completely changing the way we drive our enormous vehicles. Prepare to learn the rationale, benefits, and irresistible appeal that have almost all truck drivers gravitating toward this particular transmission option. It's about an unmatched driving experience that's redefining the rules of the road, not simply about gears. We're going to explore a less traveled route where 99% of truckers have discovered their transmission paradise. So buckle in, fellow travelers. Discover the realm of manual transmissions where drivers skillfully control traffic, choosing ratios with great care, and masterfully coordinating the clutch and transmission ballet. Imagine the clutch, pressure plate, and flywheel performing a complex dance as they smoothly link the engine and transmission. On the flip side, experience the universe of automatic gearboxes, where the need for a clutch fades into the magic of torque converters. There is no need for manual gear shifting, just a smooth transfer of power that results from the engine and transmission working together in harmony. Truck manufacturers introduce a range of equipment programs in this ever-changing environment, providing a customized touch to maneuvering, economical driving, off-road exploration, and more. With their tactile appeal, manual gearboxes allow a truck driver to practice the skill of choosing the ideal equipment, a complex dance between the needs of the terrain and the cargo. From an economic standpoint, these transmissions frequently bear the label of being reasonably priced, but they still require a maestro, a trained craftsman who is sensitive to the subtleties of the road, to operate them. Imagine a truck with 12 or 24 gears, each representing a note in a piece of music, where the melody is redefined by split ranges. The satisfaction felt by manual fans who mock automatic cars, calling them vehicles for the ignorant, is palpable. However, technology steps in as a quiet hero in this story, bringing dual clutch systems that smoothly coordinate gear shifts and undermining the idea that simplicity equals incompetence. With Volvo's introduction of I-Shift technology in 2002, this revolution got underway. And today, almost every truck brand has jumped on the automated gearbox bandwagon. The benefits are indisputable. The truck's onboard computer acts as your reliable co-pilot, automatically selecting the best gear based on factors like speed, weight, temperature, and road conditions. You can forget about fumbling with a clutch. This improves fuel efficiency by preserving up to 3% of fuel every year, while also guaranteeing a smooth and accurate gear shift that lessens wear on the gearbox. You can direct all of your attention to the road while the truck smoothly shifts between gears, giving you more control and awareness, two essential components in preventing accidents. However, it's not all sunshine and open highways. Automatic transmissions can be so simple that they can lull you into complacency. After working long hours, fatigue can set in and cause you to become distracted from the road. But don't worry, advanced technologies like Attention Guard, Adaptive Cruise Control, and Lane Guard come to the rescue, adding an extra degree of security to help you stay on course. It's obvious why 99% of our devoted truckers have embraced the revolution of automatic transmissions as the wide road stretches ahead. This isn't just a technical advancement, it's a journey toward greater ease, effectiveness, and safety. Envision yourself as the rig's captain, smoothly shifting through gears and maintaining a close watch on the constantly shifting terrain. The automatic transmission is a game changer that allows you to concentrate on what matters, the road ahead, rather than merely being convenient. So my fellow truckers, get ready for the future, welcome innovation, and let the automatic transmission redefine the road trip. I hope your trip goes as smoothly as shifting gears. Safe travel.